Nowadays, our daily life is fully documents-oriented. There are many documents like KYC documents, banking and financial papers, investment papers, insurance documents, and etc. Has physical filing of your documents become a big pain? Are you scared about the safety of your company's sensitive data? Unable to find any important document? Are you getting tired of this manual finding process? If your answer is yes, then it's time to replace all the bulky files rack with your eLocker. Sign up your eLocker account now. Your eLocker is an excellent document management software as well cloud storage that helps to boost your business. It reduces expenditure and brings many benefits to your organization. Your eLocker, not just a cloud storage, but much more. Let's know about who we are and what was our vision and mission of making your eLocker. Your eLocker from WebBell Solutions Private Limited is invented in 2018 with a motive to provide one-stop digital document management service and also to contribute to the nation in digital India. Our vision is to empower business organizations to gain centralized document storage. Now see why you will choose your eLocker instead of any other DMS platforms. For our users' convenience, we have encapsulated 6 key factors under one single dashboard. Key factor 1 is personal documents. There are 9 categories in this segment. As it mentioned, you can upload anything of your personal documents in this segment. At first, fill up the description and drop your file here. After that, just upload your file. Now, uploading your file is very easy. And your files are uploaded within a second. Wow! WebBell Solutions has implemented an integrated alert system in your eLocker by which you will never forget any important deadlines or expiry dates of your documents anymore. Alerts will make it unforgettable for you. Key factor 2 is for your company documents. There are 20 different categories in this segment. In this category, you can upload any of your company documents according to its type and its expiry dates, like all certificates, contracts, brochures, insurance and investment papers, loan and banking documents, license papers, income tax, TDS, GST documents, PF and ESIC papers, ROC, RERA, IPR documents, import, export papers, and also your judgment copies. All categories are expiry alerts inbuilt, easy to upload and share, and with unlimited space. So, just forget the old-fashioned document management process and upgrade with your eLocker now. Key factor 3, add users. You can add users with different roles. With your eLocker, you have the option to set your user's action, to create, to edit, to delete, or you can give the access to view, to download or to share. Key factor 4, activity logs. Now you can also monitor all activities with activity logs. Now you can mark your daily used documents as favorite documents and access them very fast. And this is key factor 5. Key factor 6 is search documents. Now great benefits for users to look out and search all their documents in minimal time. So there are the total 6 key factors under a single dashboard. Oh yes, now you are thinking about our security. Okay, let's follow me. We have implemented total 10 types of security protocols in your eLocker. Let's have a look. Your eLocker is a password-protected and HTTPS-enabled web portal. This is Google two-factor verification implemented and SQL injection protected. CloudWatch monitoring on servers and created on private environments for Amazon Web Services. It is protected against cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery. On each document sharing, expiry time is there. And our system is built with Laravel framework, which make us secured than any other DMS platforms. Now you can access your documents anytime, anywhere. So now let's see, what are the benefits of your eLocker? Your eLocker brings numerous benefits to your organization and helps you and your organization become a big success. Unlimited storage of valuable documents on single secure platform, alert for expiry date of any documents, safe and secure environment with multiple security features, dedicated notice module. Now keep a track of every communication between you and the government tax department, improved regulatory compliance, manage documents easily, share, print, download folders, multi-users, invite users to manage your account, enhanced, faster and flexible search in less time, easy subscription plans, free updates and maintenance. Really, your eLocker is not just a cloud storage, but much more. You can contact us anytime with these given details. www.yourelocker.com